back to my channel. If you are new here or you are not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I really want 100 subscribers, please. In this makeup tutorial, it is actually the third color of the rainbow this week. It's yellow, so I did this blown out yellow look with a nice wing. I added some gold to the wing, like I lined it. You can't actually see it, but it's there, believe me, it took me a very long time. I added some freckles on my face. As you can see, I struggled a bit with the wing liner, but it came out good, came out nice, came out on fleek. I went for like a daisy sunflower vibe. That's why I have the freckles, so it's like nice and innocent. Please go and follow me on all my social media links, and if you want to see how this look is created, then just keep on watching. Okay, wait. Can I first just quickly, I don't have foundation on, so can I quickly just go and... Okay guys, everything's on my face now except the eyeshadow. In today's video, this is the yellow look. I actually can't wait for this because I've never actually worn yellow on my eyes before. So I'm going for like a daisy vibe. So I'm gonna do like yellow blown out eyes, nice wing. I'm gonna take some gold glitter. I am very ambitious with this look, and I'm going to try and line the wing with the glitter. Hopefully that works. And then I'm gonna make some fake freckles, which I think will look cool as well. So let's just hop in with the makeup. So obviously today I'm gonna use the trusty Beauty Treats Hot Love palette, and there is yellow shades. There's actually a lot of yellow shades. There's this yellow, which is a matte. Then there is this yellow, which is a shimmer. This yellow, which is also a shimmer, and then this yellow, which is also a shimmer. So obviously I'm gonna use the matte. For like everything, I'm only gonna use the matte shade, and I'm just gonna blow it out. I'm gonna put it on my lid under my waterline, and I'm gonna go. It's gonna look so blown out. It's gonna look like someone threw pollen on my face. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the crease blender brush by Crown, and I'm going to coat this brush with this eyeshadow. I'm first gonna tap it on, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Just making little circles at the top part, and it will eventually blend out by itself. It's not that pigmented, but I'm just going to layer it like crazy. Now I'm taking the Morphe E27 brush and very lightly just moving over that shadow so it can blend out nice and effortlessly. Askies. Now I'm basically going to add more and more and more and more eyeshadows. Just, well, not eyeshadows, just more of the same yellow shade so it can like look very nice and not like this. I think my eyes are done. The stuff is not very pigmented, so there's only so much you can do to one colored eyeshadow. So I think now I'm just taking it, just going to tap it on there, because I see if you take it, you tap it on, there's like a lot of pigment, but when you blend it out, it's like, where's the freaking pigment? Just tapping it on and just going to blend out the top part. And I'm gonna add some yellow under my waterline as well. So it's just like a yellow, guys, and I'm going out after this. Who do you guess? Not me. Okay, my eyeshadow is done. It is a little bit, it's not that pigment, but it does not look bad. So now, guys, I'm gonna do some eyeliner and some lashes. And if you guys did not check out my orange video, that was actually when I did liner, and it looked very good. So I think I'm gonna do liner again today. Hopefully I don't get too ambitious and then it looks horrible. But I'm gonna do some liner, I'm gonna do some lashes. Okay, the one wing is done and it looks good. So I'm quickly gonna do the other wing off camera and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, both eyes are done, so you know what I'm thinking now. I'm gonna take this China palette that I always use, this one, and there's a lot of golds in it. So I'm gonna pick a gold, I think a yellowish gold obviously, so I think this gold. I'm gonna take this gold and then I'm gonna line my eyeliner with the gold. Let's just see if I can do that. I don't even know if I can do this. Like if I can achieve this. So I'm just taking some setting spray and my paintbrush. And let's see. I hope this works. It works sort of. So I'm basically just going to try and figure this out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little bit of gold. It's not too much, but it's there. So now I am quickly gonna coat my lashes with some mascara. The Lash Princess mascara from Essence and some MAC mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on my lashes. And then we can move on to lippies. Okay, everything's done, the mascara and everything's done, so I'm just going to add a brow bone highlight. My brow bone highlighter is actually going to be this one from Catrice. This is called Light Infusion, so I'm going to add that to my brow bone and to my inner corner. And then I'm just quickly going to add a matte liquid lip. This is the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss and it's called Fleur, so I'm going to add that to my lips. And yes, then this look is complete. Okay, well, the makeup portion of this video is done now. I'm gonna add some fake freckles. I saw you have to make like little dots. And then you take the beauty blender or your finger and you just go over it so it looks like it's in your skin. I hope this works, otherwise I'm just freaking messing up a very good makeup look. I'm basically just adding freckles like all over my face. Was that we want that daisy look? Adding some on the nose. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm taking my finger and I'm just going over it. Wait, let me take my beauty blender. Okay, this looks weird because it look like freckles. It look like freaking spots. Well, it is sort of like freckles. So you have to like just not tap it on, just like wipe it. This looks really weird. Not gonna do this again, but I used the Essence eyebrow gel. This is in 01 brown. Just use that. So yes guys, that's basically this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The whole fake freckle thing, not gonna do that again because it looks weird and I don't think you can even see it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this a big thumbs up, and please if you're watching this and you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I really want 100 subscribers and be a part of the Sheryl community. You know what, it's fun, it's just fun. I'm not going to tell you any more details because it's something you are going to have to see for yourself. So just click that subscribe button and be a part of this lovely family I have on my channel. Remember to go and subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca and my sister's channel Angelica. Please go and follow me on Instagram, add me as a friend on Snapchat, go and follow me on Twitter as well please. And go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday video that I posted. It's about confidence and how to be confident in your body. So if you struggle with that, please go and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed that video as well. And thank you for watching. I really love you guys. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you back again in my next video.